I managed to build a conveyor belt system, a brand new building. Introducing the comprimator. It was much work. Let's see if we can make this more beautiful. I deleted every single building structure. I realized I was building the wrong game the whole time. Because when I started this project, I had a clear vision. A stranded astronaut on a mysterious cube-shaped planet, collecting strange ores, rare plants, and I don't know, weird little creatures, just collecting stuff and unlocking the secrets of each side of the cube, one by one. But somewhere along the way, I lost that vision. Something has changed. Because I added buildings, I added factories, I added automation, thinking it would add depth. And of course, yes, haha, it did. But it also started to feel familiar. It started to feel like Factorio, satisfactory, and in the game it even started to feel like Minecraft. And at the end, it's just another factory game, and I absolutely do not want this. So what is this game now if it's not about building machines or automating resources or building the base? It's about discovery, it's about exploration, about stepping out and not dominate with technology or building like your Clash of Clans village. You will still find ores, you'll still discover crystals, glowing mushrooms and stuff like that. Maybe even strange little creatures, as I already mentioned. But instead of mining them endlessly to feed a machine or something like that, you will scan them, analyze them, and learn from them. Each new item you collect should give you experience. But it's not just experience in a number, but knowledge. And that knowledge is what allows your character to grow. As you level up, you will unlock new tools, stronger gear, and most importantly, access to the other sides of the cube world. Each side with its own ecosystem, dangers and mysteries to uncover. Hopefully. So if you still like the idea and do not want to miss any updates, then please hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, otherwise hit the dislike button, and we see us in the next video. Thanks for watching, bye bye.